Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in again today. My name is Sarah. So today you're going to be seeing sort of like a series. I call this the Pregnancy Essential series. I'm going to be showing you few essential things that you would need to help you get through the three trimesters, and also of course postpartum, which I like to call the fourth trimester because it is also that much important as much as your pregnancy journey. So let's quickly get started. In this video, you're going to be seeing the essentials for the first trimester, which is with the things that will probably help you get through the first 3 months. So the first thing and the most basic, I would say, which you need throughout your pregnancy is to drink a lot of water. So water is very important, especially when you're pregnant, because your baby is floating inside a water bag. So you need those water levels to be intact, and for that you need to consume a lot of water. And of course, if you're going to be nauseating and throwing up a lot, you're going to be losing a lot of water. You're going to get dehydrated. So for that you need to fill up your body with a lot of water. So I would suggest getting like a nice tall glass of that or like a bottle, like a big bottle that you could maybe keep in different places in your house, so you do not forget to drink water. So I just wanted to show you this. This is something that I just recently bought and I've been loving it. Holds about 2.2 liters of water. So I just fill this up in the morning and probably have like fill it up again in the evening. So I try to like finish this before the evening, so I can keep a track of how much of water, how much water I'm drinking a day. So having something like this will encourage you to drink more water, and make sure that you have maybe like couple of bottles, even if they are small bottles, like have couple of bottles throughout different places in your house. That keeps reminding you to drink water, and just keep filling them up once they're done. Let's move on to the next, which is of course nausea and vomiting. I'm one of those people who went through a lot of nausea and vomiting throughout my first trimester. So I sort of did a few things. Every time I would feel a little queasy, or I knew that I was going to throw up, I just would do a few things that sort of helped me, but I eventually would throw up because that's how it is, that's how pregnancy is. But just to get over that queasy feeling, I would always have some sort of candy, and this pertaining to be like ginger candy mostly helped a lot, because ginger in itself sort of helps you keep your stomach a little strong, and does not helps a lot with the nausea and that queasiness that you have. So every time after every meal, sort of, even if it's going to be breakfast or lunch or dinner, I always pop in few of these ginger candies, and you get a lot probably everywhere in the market now, and even definitely in Amazon. So you can maybe chew on like a hard ginger candy, and or even a soft one. And sometimes I would also like just having cough drops, because cough drops have honey, lemon and ginger. Most of them do. So if I'm feeling a little weird, I just pop one of these, and they help me stay a little calm for a few hours, even if suppose if I'm outside, or if I'm in a place where I cannot throw up. So those sort of things I just try to control myself with having candies. So always carry ginger candy or like a lemon or honey candy in your bag always. The thing that helped me was sipping on lemonade. So what I would do is I would like make a small batch of lemonade and put it in the fridge. So every time I would throw up, I would like have like a small glass of lemonade, and I wouldn't just gulp it down. I would like take it in a straw and slowly sip it little by little, and this sort of helped me calm my stomach down a little. And even because of the lemon flavor, it gives a little bit of a refreshment to you, and you feel good, especially after you throw up. You're going to be so tired, and you're just going to feel so weird. So that helps you come out of it. Another thing you can try are chamomile teas, because chamomile itself helps you relax, and they also also having chamomile teas before going to bed helps you get a good night's sleep, because during pregnancy sometimes you're just like too stressed, and some people go through like insomnia. You're not able to sleep for long, or you sleep very late. So sipping on chamomile tea helps you regulate your body towards that. Another thing that I loved having throughout my pregnancy were popsicles. Popsicles also help you like sort of hydrate yourself, because they're just like juice and ice, and they just make you feel so good, because you've been throwing up so much and you're so nauseated, and you feel so nice when you have a popsicle. So try having popsicles if you're going through nausea right now. Try having them like once or twice a day. They definitely, you know, refresh your mood as well, and you feel good when you have them. Next essential, I would say, are some sort of like comfy clothing. Always wear comfy clothing. Like you all know, one of the basic symptoms is having tenderness in your chest area. You're going to be very tender and it's going to pain a lot and hurt. Probably like initial symptoms of pregnancy itself is that. So I would say like going in for like don't get anything underwired. Never try like an underwired bra because that's going to hurt you more. So I would like, you know, maybe one of these like sports bras would help a lot. And also, like I already mentioned before, I think in my nursing video I had mentioned about nursing bras. You can start wearing them right when you get pregnant itself, because they are meant for pregnancy and nursing. So they are very comfortable, and especially when at night when you're going to be sleeping, those kind of bras are very soft, help you sleep better. Also, you do not feel like too tight and congested. So try going in for like a softer like a loose fitting sports bra. One of course are camis. I used to live in these. These actually are not nursing camis, but you can definitely use nursing camis as well. But these are really good because you can just wear this and wear like a cardigan and you feel really good. You will feel very comfortable, and they do not tug on your body too much. So another essential that I would say is documenting your pregnancy in some sort of way, like maybe having a journal and write down your symptoms and whatever you're feeling that month, even if it's going to be something, you know, like tiredness or even if you're going through nausea, just write that down, because maybe a year or two later you're gonna probably forget whatever you went through. But it's always nice to look back and, you know, go through and read through whatever you felt. So I sort of bought this. This is I got this from Baby Zara's. This is a pregnancy journal, and I've been journaling my pregnancy from when you know, when I found out that I was pregnant. So it's a very cute diary. So you have Elijah's ultrasound there, and there. So it's a very cute way of journaling your pregnancy. So it starts off with, you know, when you found out, and you know how you like how you told your relatives and folks, and then you have like your first doctor's visit, and it's really nice to read back at whatever you went through. So, and then you have like things to keep in mind, and then you have your first trimester, and then it also gives you like important things that you need, that you would probably be feeling that month. So something like that. And then you have like and then here you see this is looking back at my second trimester. So things like this, and then you have like this is for planning the birth of the baby. So it's really nice to keep a journal like this. And also at the back you can like make a checklist of your hospital bag and the things that you would need for your hospital bag. And also once you've done it, you can just cross-reference your checklist. So it's always really nice to go back to your journal and read through. I in fact even now sometimes go through this just to know how I felt that month, or you know, what was it that what was that new thing that happened that month. So it's really good to journal your pregnancy. Not like an essential, but is good if you have in hand, is the apps that would help you with your pregnancy journey. I personally used two, which is the What to Expect When You're Expecting app, and also the Baby Center app. These two apps are really good because they help you track your pregnancy and also tell you what how the baby is that week, and the things that the organs that are developing inside the baby, and if the baby has like the lungs developed this month, and if the baby is like breathing inside, how the baby is moving, and the fingers and toes. And it's so beautiful how the baby is growing. When you're not able to see it in person, it's always nice to like read through these. And so these two apps I would really recommend for you to have them in your phone. Also help you post pregnancy, because they help you through breastfeeding and diaper changes and everything, so you can keep a record of that as well. So my friends, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the other videos that I have in this series as well. And if you clicked on this video because you're a new mom or you're an expecting mom, thank you for watching. So if you're going through a lot of nausea and vomiting, which the first trimester we all have to go through, don't worry, it's just for a few more days and you're gonna be back to normal. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. Thank you for the support that all of you have been giving me. Thank you for the messages that all of you have been sending me. I will look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also click on that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, see you soon. Bye bye.